In this video, I will show you how to clear browsing data using a shortcut. So press Ctrl Shift Delete. So this is the shortcut. In just one click, you can set here. Select here Advanced. In time range, you can select your desired and required time range like 24 hours, last 7 days, or last 4 weeks. Also, you can select all time. Here you can select browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and also you can select password and other sign-in data, autofill data, site settings, and hosted app data. So select as your requirement, then just click on clear data. So this is the fastest way to clear browsing data in Chrome browser. Just press Ctrl Shift and Delete key once you open Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.